So this is our warm-up exercise. I need you to hip walk forward in your chair. Think of your posture. Pull your tummy in, shoulders back, chin retracted. Start rugging the shoulders. Change to the feet. Let's touch the toes out in front. Just a little movement for now. We're still warming up. Back to the shoulders. We're going to circle them back. Circle. So as you circle back, squeeze those shoulder blades together. It doesn't have to be in time with the music. To your right foot, we're going to heel and turn, heel and turn. 3, 2, 1, and change sides. Heel and turn. 3, 2, coming back. Let's do alternating shoulder shrugs. And other side. So a little lean over. Twist from the waist. Doesn't have to be very big. Lifting the heels, alternate right and left. Right. Okay. 2 heels together. Take the feet to do that too, and in, and around. This is a baton workout. If you don't have a baton, you can use a wooden spoon, a rolling pin, or a scarf twisted. Keep a little tension if you're using a scarf. Just sliding the hands along the thighs to start with. If you're using a scarf, it should be taut. Take the arms a little higher. If you can, take it to shoulder height. If that's not comfortable for you, just keep the arms at whatever level is comfortable for you. Well done. Okay, keep breathing, sitting tall, chin retracted. We're going to take it to a circle, round. You don't have to be in time, just do what feels good for you. Other way. Last one, we're going to take it to a row on the right. So row, row. Last one, change sides. So you're pulling with that hand. It's on the bottom. 3, 4. Keep it smaller if you need to. Let's do singles and row. Pretend we're on the canal, out in the fresh air. Take it back to that push. And again, if that's not comfortable on your arms, you can take it a little bit lower. Well done. So the next exercise is a scarf routine, holding your scarf in the middle if it's long, so that you've got a little bit of movement. In your right hand, we're going to start with toe taps. Just tapping the toes, just lifting and lowering the toes, in time with the music if you can. Keep the movement smaller if you need to. Sitting tall, forward on your chair so that you've got the movement. Let's start with an infinity sign, figure of 8 on the side. If you can make it nice and big and move the body, great. If not, just do what you can. Okay, left leg comes out in front, and sliding the other hand the opposite way if you can. Don't worry if you've not got it the same way, it really doesn't matter, just getting the movement. If you're happy, have both arms going. Let's take it to a comb the hair. So those that aren't happy with this, if it's too much for your shoulders, just take it to a nice up and down with the hand. Take it across the other hand, circling, or figure of 8. Forward and back. So as your right foot is forward, scarf's in the left hand. Don't worry if you're the opposite way round, it's not the end of the world as long as you do both sides. Just comb that hair, or do your little mini bicep curl. And in a moment we're going to go to round the houses. Those that can't take it behind, just take it in front again. So forward, side, behind if you can, if not take it in front. Keep it slower if it's too much. It doesn't have to be in time with the music. Change direction. Well done. If you can't quite get it, make up your own thing. As long as it doesn't hurt, you're moving, which is the important thing. If you keep the toes tapping, great. Let's just throw that scarf and catch. Throw the scarf and catch. Throw the scarf and catch. Take it back into your right hand. Finishing off. Follow it with your eyes, change hands. That head moving. If it feels uncomfortable or you feel dizzy, then leave that bit out, that's fine. Last few, just throw it and catch. Well done. So there's no equipment at all for this routine, it's a clapping routine. Sitting forward on your chest, so hip walk forward, feet pointing forward, chin retracted. Start with a toe tap, hands on the thighs. You can do a single tap, clap, so clap and twist, clap and twist. Make it as big or as small as you're comfortable with. If you want to keep it small, that's fine. Double clap at the top. Singles. Doubles again. Single feet out in front, so tapping those toes forward, push the waves. If you want to do that slower, that's fine too. Okay, let's take the arms both sides, one foot out and down, up. Take the arms all the way up to shoulder height, that's great. Keep it that speed, or take it faster. Try and make sure you're lifting the knee out to the side though. It's the whole knee that's moving, the foot just comes along with it. Beautiful, well done. If it's too much, you just keep it small. Just loose the arms or loose the legs if you wish. Tap. And twist, back, double, This is a marching routine, so you need to hip walk forward on your chair. Start with toe taps. Try and lift those toes as high as you can. Take it to a jogger's walk, so lifting alternating heels. You can add some arms if you wish, just keep it gentle. Take it to a march, keep those feet low for now, nice and quiet. And again. Now we're going to take it to a V-step, right leg forward, so right, left, bring it back, change sides to the left, left foot back in, to the right, and left, take it up to speed. Add some arms if you wish. If it's too much, then leave the arms out. We're still trying to change the lead leg each time. So there's jogger's walk, here lifting the heels. Basic march. Nice light feet. Ready for that V-step, take it out, out, in, change leg. Right side, left side. Heel digs in front. So just pushing that heel out, and an upper arm swing if you wish. Let's march it, 3, 2, 1, and clap. Back to the jogger's walk. So just lifting those heels. And march. Light feet, lifting the whole foot off the ground. That V-step, right leg first. Right leg, left leg, right leg. Don't worry too much if you can't get the order. Just keep moving. You're still going to be getting the exercise. Beautiful. Well done. We're going to cool down now, so sitting comfortably in your chair. Slide your hands forward onto your knees. Feet are flat on the floor. Just round your upper back down, stretching through the neck. Coming back up. Taking the arms by the side of the body, just a smooch down, and back up, change sides. Push the waves. Energy, if you want to think of it that way, or just an imaginary ball and circle, taking the body and the eyes with you, change direction. stretch across the chest. Crossing the opposite arm over the top as you come back. Piano playing, so wiggling the fingers. A little bit of body movement there as well if you wish.